Hello? 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 Anybody there? Oh, yeah, that's probably why. This is a banana, and this is the Nokia banana phone. It's their newest version of a very throwback phone. Here it is. I'm gonna give you some of the specs. It's 4G enabled, which is nice, and it has a 25-day standby mode. So basically you can be standing by for almost a month and not have to recharge it. Now, some of the other features that are a nice throwback would be the slide out style to turn it on. It is absolutely not touchscreen, so none of this will work at all. It's got a 2-megapixel camera and no front-facing camera, so none of the dual cameras or the AI cameras that we're seeing, none of that. No QWERTY keyboard, okay? We're going back to just a very simple keyboard there. And most importantly, it's got Snake. Huh? Does your smartphone have Snake? I don't think so. I could be playing Snake all day long. Who needs to go on the web, right? You just play Snake. You know, honestly, this is truly for nostalgia. If you are really just craving the old days, the simpler times, the days where people actually spoke to each other instead of, you know, looking at each other on a screen or a phone, this is the way to go. I don't care that it's got a small screen. I don't care that it's not a touch screen. I don't care that it doesn't really have a camera that's anything that's great, because it's all about the nostalgia factor, and I'm just loving the curvature, the design, and the simplicity of the Nokia banana phone. Hello, yes. Yes, I'd like to order some apples, please.